the Shell Refinery air raid siren. Well, air raid sirens should sound at 9 o'clock. It was doing 1 minute. Can't wait for the air raid siren to go off. I've forgotten to muffle the sound now. That was the old 51 and 30 passing through there. Always go on the right time. Or about the right time, yes. It takes 10 seconds to warm up. You'll hear the small siren, then the big one will fire. You see? Siren was sounding is a British World War II air raid siren in the background. Siren number 3 did not sound though. There's 3 sirens in this place. The old World War II one, what sounds, what's very rare to hear. The little one you just heard come from the tower over there somewhere. And then there's one there's one over here what did not turn on today. What's weird, if you watch my video of the alert and hear both the sirens going off. That's the end of the video.